Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. In the yesterday's video, we have learnt about what is meant by control and coordination. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how the control and coordination occurs in plants, animals and human beings, and also what are the organs and nerves that help in control and coordination. So in animals and human beings, the control and coordination is done by nervous system and endocrine system. In plants, control and coordination is done by chemical substances called plant hormones or phytohormones. So here is a small visual about the human nervous system. So here you can see the human nervous system, which consists of various types of nerves such as spinal nerves, cranial nerves, sensory nerves and motor nerves. And here is the endocrine system. In the next video, we will learn in detail about the human nervous system and endocrine system. So now let us discuss about stimuli. So what is meant by stimuli? The changes in the environment to which living organisms respond is called stimuli. Example: heat, cold, sound, smell, taste, touch, etc. Living organisms respond to stimuli in the form of movements. So there are various types of receptors present in our body. Receptors are the sense organs which receive the stimuli and pass the message to the brain or spinal cord through the sensory nerves. So there are various types of receptors. They are photoreceptors in the eyes to detect the light. Here you can see the photoreceptors which are present in the eyes. And there are phonoreceptors which are present in the ears to detect the sound. And the olfactory receptors are present in the nose to detect the smell. Here you can see the olfactory receptors. And the gustatory receptors are present in the tongue to detect the taste. And the tango receptors are present in the skin to detect the touch. So there are 5 receptors. They are photoreceptors, phonoreceptors, olfactory receptors, gustatory receptors and tango receptors. And there are effectors. Effectors are the muscles and glands which respond to the information from the brain and spinal cord through the motor nerves. Here you can see the sensory nerves and motor nerves. So sensory nerves are the nerves which carry information from the receptors to the brain and spinal cord. Here you can see the sensory nerves. Okay, so here you can see the sensory nerves. Sensory nerves which carry the information from the receptors to the brain and spinal cord. Here you can see the receptors. So the sensory nerves carry the information from the receptors to the brain and spinal cord. And here you can see the so here you can see the motor nerves which carry the information from the brain and spinal cord to the effectors or muscle cells and glands. So sensory nerves are the nerves which carry information from the receptors to the brain and spinal cord, and motor nerves are the nerves which carry information from the brain and spinal cord to the effectors, which are nothing but muscles and glands. I hope you have understood about the sensory nerves, motor nerves and effectors and receptors. So in the next video we will learn in detail about the human nervous system. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Bye bye.